Hi dears, today recipe is baked chicken pasta with white sauce. It's creamy and tasty and I'm shown simple way to make yet super delicious with few ingredients. Serve this hot. Now let's start making. Take required amount of water and add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Water is boiling. I'm adding 450 gram of penny pasta, but you can add any variety of pasta. Cook the pasta according to the instruction given in the pack. Here the pasta took exactly 12 minutes to cook. Strain the pasta and rinse with normal water to stop the process of cooking. The second step, I'm making a chicken topping for pasta. Add oil and 2 medium-sized onions sliced long and thin, and add salt and saute it till it becomes soft. And add half tablespoon of garlic paste. Chicken topping I'm showing here is super simple but delicious, and you can use this topping to make chicken sandwich. I've added 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Adjust the spice accordingly. I'm adding 500 grams of boneless chicken chopped into small pieces. Mix well. Close the lid, let the chicken cook well. Now remove the lid. The juices from chicken has come out. Now dry the water because you need the dry topping for pasta. The topping is ready. Now we'll go for the next step. In a pan add 3 cups of milk, that is 650 ml of milk. Add 2.5 tablespoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour, and 50 gram of butter, that is 1/3 cup of butter. Mix it well. The butter is melted and the sauce has thickened. Now time to add 1 tablespoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and mix it well, and add half cup of mozzarella cheese. I'm using the mozzarella cheese, but you can use the cheddar cheese or the cheese of your choice. Add salt to taste. Everything is ready. Boiled pasta, you need chili sauce, chicken toppings and white sauce. Now time to assemble. First spread the white sauce. Then add chili sauce or hot sauce. If you like, you can add tomato ketchup, and add mozzarella cheese and add penny pasta. And spread the chicken topping evenly. Now again add the mozzarella cheese with white sauce on it, and follow the step as shown in the video. Add the remaining sauce. Preheat the oven for 5 minutes in 200 degree and cook the pasta for 25 to 30 minutes depending upon the oven and heating. Creamy and gooey chicken pasta is ready to serve. Serve it hot and enjoy. Thanks for watching.